can't do those yet. I need a pickaxe for that. Knock this guy down. This should be the last tree. Had a mixture box in it. Because my energy is getting a little low. Put away. Put away. At least that can help me go through my... I didn't put the shirt over there. That can help me go through my, items. My backlog of ore. Alright, it's already 9 o'clock. Boom. Yep, got the keg and the oil maker. I gotta remember on day 18 I have to go give her something. How to make the... It was a keg. 30 wood, 1 copper, 1 iron, 1 oak. I can make that, I just don't know if I have the copper on hand. Doesn't look like it, so we can put away. Replant. Eggplants are ready. Honey's ready. Looks like that's, oh, whatever this is. Bok choy. That's water. Does it have to be like a thunderstorm for this to produce a battery? Copper's done, so now I can make the keg. But before that, let's put some stuff away. Bok choy. Alright, what did I need? Wood, copper, iron, oak. Oak. Wood. Copper, iron. A pale ale. How to make a pale ale Stardew. Hops. I probably could have guessed that. Hops was a summer plant. Probably shouldn't have grabbed all 50, but I grabbed all 50. Hold my hops. Those guys aren't ready yet. But you are. I'm going to hold on to this for the festival that's happening soon. What did I want to do today? I need to talk to Maru. I need to find the Firestone. I need to talk to Marnie. I feel like there was something else. I don't have a pickaxe to get more copper. Alright. Well, I mean, it's something. Let's take you. Um, 10, 1, 2. Because I'm just going to power through the level 80 mines. Trying to find another firestone. Fire quartz. That's what it's called. Fire quartz, not firestone. Let's go talk to her. I needed the seed. It was a yam seed. If I could buy 10 yam seeds, I'll be happy. That was the other thing I kept forgetting about. I was like, I know there's something. Alright, let's go talk to my future wife. Seeing you is an emergency. I did it. In other parts of the world, it's spring right now. Imagine that. That is crazy. How to make someone a wife. Stardew. Then reach it next. Upgrade your farmhouse. The mermaid's pendant. Next, upgrade your farmhouse and buy a mermaid's. Dating. The day after reaching 10 friendship hearts with a marriage candidate, a player receives a letter from Mayor Lewis. 5 G's. Damn it. So needy. Women, am I right? I need the yams. I can't forget the yams. Yam seeds. 10. And then I'm going to go to the mines and just do a quick search. I don't know if I can power like brute force reloads. Like exit the mines, go back in, exit, go back in. That's why I brought these 2 staircases with me. What's up, sir? Magma geode. The enemies can give me a way down. You know, so if I don't have to use this staircase. I see it. I'm going. Lots of mushrooms down here. You're new. Excuse me, coming through. Yeah, because if I can upgrade the rail track, muy bien. What's up, Linus? I don't think I have a lot of hazelnuts, so I'm going to grab you and you. And let's... these 2. Water them so they get going. Put some stuff away. If I open up the correct one, I could. Mushroom can go in here. You can go in there. Put you away. Sure, let's plant the mixed seeds as well. I think they grow into a random crop from this season. And what else did you need? Quartz, earth crystal, frozen tear. Quartz, earth crystal, frozen tear. This is going to be my first one done. This is a lot of orange on the screen. It hurts my eyes ever so slightly. First bundle complete. Five Omni Geodes. Don't do drugs, kids. We are the Junimos, keepers of the forest. Interesting. He's coming to drug me. So now the mine cart should be open, right? Let's go see what they cost or how long they take. There's one here, ain't there? Yeah. What do you mean out of order? I just fixed it. Do I gotta sleep? Put you away. Put you away. I'm cruising through these now. Hopefully my pickaxe is done tomorrow. That was a lot accomplished today. I got to level 10 with Maru. Completed a section in the community center. I think that's it, actually. I actually think that it's just that. So maybe I didn't get so much done today. But it felt like it. Boop. Pickaxe is ready. Boom. Boom. Rusty, I'm gonna give you this advice because I like you, and I want you to stay in Pelican Town. If there comes a day that you want to seek for someone's hand in marriage, you need to give them a mermaid's pendant. Don't worry, everybody in Pelican Town understands the significance of the amulet. It's an ancient tradition in this region. Good luck, Lewis. I don't need luck, Lewis. I got the power of God and anime on my side. Let's go ahead and put this away. I don't need that no more. I see a lot of sunflowers. Did I not water that one? Fill up my watering can. Anything over here ready? Those guys up there. Grapes. Still not quite the 18th yet. In here, organize. Alright, let's go check out these new mine carts to... Oh, before... Before I do that, let's take you, you, and you. I'm not sure if I'll have enough gold to process it all, but... No cost, just straight here. Thank you, sir. Let's do the magma first. Iridium. Warp where? To the farm. That's useful. Esperite. Copper. Jamborite. Geminite. Alright, let's go see what I can donate. Just this guy. My inventory is kind of full. But I need more copper. I'm here just for copper. Which 50? I think this is an iron level. I'm just running around looking for ore. That'll tell me real quick what's here. Yeah, this is iron. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave. And go back down and let's try 30. These are the dark levels, but I have my light. One hit. Oh my goodness. I mean, they're only doing 1 damage to me, so it's not that bad.